Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to go ahead and unveil something very, 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 very big, okay? The last time that I got a computer was 6 years ago. Times have changed, so I hear. I mean, really, have they? I mean, does it point and click and you can type things on it? Okay, all right, I got that. But there are new things that a computer can do, like things have changed, I tell you. So I've got something very, very big to show you, okay? Here we go. What is that? Whoa. Oh, snap! YouTube.com/Dave We Like, the best YouTube channel. I mean, wait a minute. That's not what we're talking about the computer. This is a Microsoft Surface Studio 2. Oh, yeah. Look at this, baby. It's a touch screen. I've got a touch screen. Welcome to 2019. Welcome to 20. Okay, it also has a pen, which is great. I'm no artist by any means, but you know what? I've always wanted to own a pen. I've never owned a pen before. It's different. I could go like this now. Wow. Wee, mommy, wee. Look, I'll be honest. This machine is a beast and a beauty to behold because I'll do a whole video talking about this more in depth, but just take a moment here and look at this beauty thing. This is what I'm looking at now when I live stream with you all. I didn't know that you guys could look so sexy, but damn. Of course, to the right over here, I did end up buying a printer as well. This is the Epson XP7100. I hear this is a great printer because, it scans and prints. I mean, you have to have paper first. I don't have any paper, but I tell you, it's going to be great because now I can go like print the page and it prints it out. I mean, welcome to 2019. Are we in 2019? It's still 2018? Oh, okay. Y'all need to understand what we're talking about here and why I got such a beautiful machine, because if you back up all the way into the very first place that you enter, the entranceway, as they call it in any house or apartment, this is what you see. This is as good as it gets, okay? All right? I want you to understand this. This is the focal point. That computer over there is huge, it's beautiful, it's beastly. That is why I wanted to go ahead and get a computer that rocks it out and knocks it out of the park here, because I didn't want to get a tower that, you got this ugly ass tower, all these wires connected to it. I didn't want that anymore in my living space. If I had a separate room, where I could have my man cave, I get it, I'll have a tower. But in this particular instance, I wanted something completely minimal that kind of just hides away, but is beautiful to still look at when you notice it, No, I'm just going to do a complete pan of this apartment right now. It's beautiful. This wallpaper's new. That TV's new. Bye, computer, old computer. That Christmas tree's new. And of course, look at that beautiful, sexy computer now. We did, of course, move the deer head. It used to be on over here, but I think we're going to keep it on over here. This thing from Target, it's kind of heavy. So in an earthquake, I do honestly expect it to fall and break this screen. I don't want it to be there. But sometimes you don't have a choice in how you decorate your own apartment, right? You gotta share it with other people who live here. Isn't that right, Kirby the Anxious Reindeer? Oh, that's right, Dave. It's gonna be okay. No earthquake's gonna ever strike this apartment. Oh, God! Oh, no! So this is the old desktop that I had. You can see that there are cables all over the floor. It is a rat's nest. It is so nasty in that capacity. But at the end of the day, it was a machine that I loved. It's a really lightweight desktop tower that came from Costco, some ZT computer. Never heard of that company before, but they did a good job. It was able to edit 1080p videos really, really fast, but it wasn't really meant for gaming. I mean, I was playing like the latest and greatest, SimCity 2000, Command & Conquer Red Alert 2, just the best. But that's really as good as it got with that computer. So again, when you're going from this tiny screen, it really looks tiny, but it was great at the time, to now this guy, I mean, there's just absolutely no comparison. This is beautiful. Something else is still coming though. This weekend, I've got potentially a big shipment arriving. I won't tell you what it is. You'll have to find out in the next video. It is a big boy indeed. It's gonna absolutely 100% change this entire area right behind me, okay? You have to understand this. Everything is changing. because I want to go ahead and start 2019 on the right foot. I hope you all are doing the same thing because, you know what, 2018, it was an okay year, but 2019, that's going to be our year. This is going to be the year to shine and make things happen. Make America great. It's pretty great. It's okay, but make my world great, okay? Let's not focus on America. She's fine. She's pretty, but I want to be pretty too, mommy. I want to be pretty! All right, see y'all. Bye.